Stocks related to fracking booming into new oil wave. Stocks related to fracking are creating a new surge in the oil industry, and the super drilling process is producing a large portion of the newly attainable natural gas supplies from North America. In fact, a billionaire oil tycoon is getting behind the movement thanks to its energy independence undertones. So, how are investors supposed to reap the benefits of these profit growing companies? They should get access to the new special report from Absolute Wealth, which explains how the giant $3 trillion oil market is being influenced by the fracking phenomenon. Sideways Oil, How Fracking is Reestablishing the U.S. as an Oil Power and How You Can Profit, is now available for members of Absolute Wealth's Independent Wealth Alliance, their exclusive investment and financial program. Much like the other expertly compiled special reports that Absolute Wealth releases, Sideways Oil is bringing a major economic shift to the forefront of investors' minds and helping provide them with usable information. The facts and figures inside Sideways Oil show the advancements in fracking techniques are pulling an additional 33% of fossil fuels out of the ground, producing a game-changing situation in an industry as old as dirt. Investing in fracking companies is turning out to be a promising move, despite what some would say. Crude oil is still the dominant player, but natural gas is making headway by being cleaner and more abundant. In fact, some major entities in the oil game are beginning to recognize the potential of natural gas and of using fracking to get at it. A recent Bloomberg article detailed Shell's plan to begin using liquefied natural gas to provide less expensive fuel for trucks. Think about it. The 18-wheelers cruising down the highway may slow their dependence on diesel gasoline and start burning a cleaner, less expensive fuel. Shell's plan to spend $250 million on an LNG plant and a string of filling stations is the biggest single investment yet in making frozen gas a transport fuel. A shift advocated by proponents of energy independence, including billionaire investor T. Boone Pickens, said the article. Switching engines to run on LNG is becoming economic because a glut of fuel from North America's shale rock has made the U.S. the world's largest natural gas producer and forced prices to record discounts versus crude oil. Heck, if Pickens believes in it, what more is needed to persuade the rest of the country? The timing is perfect for the natural gas supply to be tapped, which in turn could begin to fix the entire U.S. economy. Exports, jobs, and consumerism are rejuvenated by a boom of this nature, and it's obvious that the economy could use some help in its recovery. Fracking companies, both the ones doing the drilling and the ones supporting them with equipment and technology, are proving their worth as potential moneymakers in the stock market. Sideways Oil is giving investors the 3 ways to capitalize on this trend before the common trader catches on. The best stocks related to fracking are covered in the special report, and time is of the essence. Act fast and learn more by going to www.absolutewealth.com/reports/sideways-oil.